not enough rice, not enough food for eating. Normally slim, skinny. So you need 27 centimeters in width, 37 centimeters in length. You could fit into the tunnels very easy. That in the Vietnam War, not now. Now very fat, so very difficult. Okay? And for the tunnel, you visit it over there, not this one. This one to see the secret entrance to the tunnels only. Okay? Now, I am very glad to introduce to you Mr. Tang.
Hello.
Local guy help us visit the tunnels. So we follow him. Okay?
Oh. Oh my.
Rồi, chú nó chuẩn bị máy đi hả
Yeah.
chú?
Okay. You take photo.
Wow.
Vậy thôi ha chú ha.
Yeah.
On cue.
Wonderful.
And oh.
Yeah. Okay, you see the tiger trap here. Tiger trap here.
Ok.